What's up, you guys? This is Tim Traton with Traton Homes, and this is another new construction video home tour and community tour. This one is called Riverwalk Place, built by Traton Homes, located in Lawrenceville, Georgia. And I would say this is a very appealing location of Lawrenceville. It is the Mountain View High School District, and it's very close to Mall of Georgia, only about 7 or 8 minutes down the street off of Buford Drive. You can see here they got one floor plan called the Brooks Plan, and really this is the only plan that they've got in the whole community, with about 50 townhomes for sale. Now this one has different kind of exterior modifications as well as interior, so while the floor plan may look the same for each house, you can definitely make the appearance change by the different features you could choose. Now you can see some of the features that the community and the homes themselves have, such as the lawns being landscaped by the HOA. You've got 2-story townhome designs with a 3-tab shingle roof that lasts over 20 years. You've also got lofty 9-foot ceilings on the main level, so they do feel very high and less congested when you're walking through the main level. You could choose to get quartz countertops, and they have granite as a default, as well as level 1 tile backsplash. Throughout the main level, as well as the owner's suite and secondary bathrooms, you can expect LVP flooring, whereas the other parts of the house on the second floor, such as the hallway area, that is going to be carpeted. As far as incentives go, you can see they have a $5,000 credit towards closing costs that they offer, and a couple price reductions already. In fact, when I first drove past this community, I noticed on their for sale sign it said starting in the 400,000s, and then about 3 weeks later they changed the sign to starting in the high 300s or 390s, because they realized just having that 3 in front makes a huge difference as far as attractability and marketability. Now, I had a client that we went and looked at these townhomes, and we compared it to a lot of other townhome communities, such as in Grayson or Loganville, and we noticed that the incentive was a lot less for this one, 5,000 credit towards closing costs, compared to some of the others, which were 10,000, or in other ways, it was actually a buy down in the interest rate or a flex cash that could be used towards lowering the purchase price and so forth. So it was a lot of different things that other communities had that this one did not. And what I've noticed as well with single family and just in the general area closer you get to Duluth, Suwanee, and Johns Creek and so forth, is that there are less and less incentives the closer you get to those cities. So basically, the better school districts, the better location to shopping and dining, those places are going to have less incentives. Now, it doesn't mean that this one won't increase in incentives as time goes on if they realize that they can't sell homes, but as of right now, the 5,000 credit towards closing costs is all that they have. Now you can see with the floor plans here that they have all the different Brooks floor plans. Basically, they're all 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, starting at around $379,900 is the lowest, and it goes all the way up to about $415,175, being an exterior patio, a fireplace, and an in-unit. So in-unit is a little bit more pricier because they're more attractive when you have one less neighbor and you got more sunlight coming in with extra windows. There is an HOA, and it does help with the upkeep of the lawn maintenance and the common area maintenance, but there are no amenities, so keep in mind with that. Lastly, one thing that I do want to hit on is that there are some buy down in rates offered by certain lenders, and particularly with FHA loans. And I'm going to be doing another video diving deeper into this and why that is. But for the sake of this video, you can see that the interest rate can go even as low as the high 5 percentile range. So if you're interested in this community, please reach out to me. I represent clients not just on the resale side, but also new construction. And it's to your advantage because you're basically gaining, as you don't have to pay my commission, the builder pays mine, and you get an extra pair of eyes to look over the contract, hire an inspector, go through the entire contract to close process smoothly, attending the different home orientations and walkthroughs and final walkthroughs that are associated with buying a new construction home. For now, I'll leave you with this beautiful model home tour as you've already been seeing it, and enjoy, like, subscribe, catch you on the next video.